Today we're going to walk through how to use comparative pricing and precedent to help you make more money with your hail and dent jobs. Let's start with comparative pricing. Once you scan the VIN and add a car to your estimate, you can click on the Comparative Pricing tab to see the NADA vehicle value and details specific to this vehicle. For each panel, you can see how much it would cost a body shop to replace, including parts and all associated labor. For example, the true cost to replace the hood could also include the R&I for the headlights, front bumper, and blending into the fenders. Comparative pricing will also have information about any special materials, photos, and notes to help you understand what you're working with. This will help us later as we go in and start building an estimate. Let's go to services. Hail and Precedent are the two services where you can use comparative pricing in your estimating. So we click into the hail service to start our estimate. Let's say there's hail damage on the hood. Here on this first screen, we can specify the dent count and size of dents on this panel. If we go over to the next tab on the right, we can get into add-ons. These are all of the factors you can add in that will increase the price of your estimate. While we're deciding on add-ons, we can pull up comparative pricing as a guide and get more details on the panel. We see that the panel is high-strength steel, so we can go back to add-ons and select it in this high-strength steel section. That made us an extra $80. Now let's go over to precedent on the same car. With this service, we can price out per dent. If we have a big dent on the front door, we can size it here. Let's say it's 3 inches in medium depth. Again, here we can pull up the comparative pricing info. If you see a blue dot next to the photo icon, that means there's an X-ray photo available. These photos will help you determine the accessibility of the dent. If there's poor access, we can go back and select Obstructed Damage for an upcharge of 25%. That also made us an extra $70. If you're not using tools like these, how much money are you leaving on the table?